Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be looking at how we can compare two different index funds using Google Finance. So first, of course, you want to go to google.com/finance. It'll take you to this page where you have a bunch of indices at the top. You have a few securities here, some news. So what you're going to want to do is go to the search bar and type in whichever index fund or whichever security you're interested in tracking and comparing to something else. So for me, that's VTI. I'm really game to know how Vanguard Total Stock Market Index is comparable to different Vanguard mutual funds, or ETFs rather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to where it says compare to, and here you can see search for stocks, ETFs, and more to compare with. So I'm going to search for an ETF. I'd like to see how US Total Stock Market compares to the world, so I'll go with VT. Okay, perfect. So we have the total world stock market index versus the total stock market index for the US. And you can see how for the world it slightly underperforms, but this is just in the past day. I'm going to look at in the past year how they've both been doing. It looks like towards the beginning of the year they were doing relatively on par with each other, and then towards the end of the year VTI starts to get a little boost. Okay, perfect. So I can also add another ETF or index fund or security to this comparison. So I could go with VUG, which is a growth index fund. And here you can see towards the beginning of the year it actually was underperforming both VT and VTI. And then towards the latter half of the year it starts to do really well. So this is very appealing to me. Maybe I'm interested in joining VUG's high growth rate, so maybe I'll invest there. Anyways, you can see here how Google Finance would be one of the easiest and pretty straightforward ways to start investing in ETFs and mutual funds. With graphs like these, research is definitely on the table for new investors, and hopefully that gives you guys a good idea of where to start with comparing ETFs and mutual funds. Alright, perfect. Thanks so much for watching. See you.